am Mama. I did a project, and here is my project. So I have to do the floods. So you can see it. 3, 2, 1, go.
Hello, I am meteorologist Durga. I am going to teach all of you about floods. What causes this extreme weather? Floods are caused from hurricanes and heavy rain or from melting snow. What kind of damage does it cause? Roads and bridges can be damaged. People may die. It can damage houses, and people will not have food and water to drink. What should you do? Where should you go during this extreme weather? Do not drive on roads. Have storage of food and water. Any interesting facts? I have to tell you something. I have not seen a flood in my whole entire life. Bye!
So, Mama, here I am. So, I am just doing a project, and this is Durga talking right here. You can see me right now. So, I will be sending this to you right now. Bye! And also show this to Akira so she can learn about floods too. Okay? And show this to Stijana too. Bye!